Look at this.
Yeah,
Yo,
that's a big thing.
yes. It's a big thing.
Yeah,
Ready, Paul?
yeah.
One. Oh my. Let me finish.
Yeah.
Whoa, you got it. Good job.
That's some big ones.
You didn't even let
Good
me
job.
finish.
Good job, man. Everybody, welcome back to the Grow Family Network. And today, guess what we're doing? We're trying to get this bed cleaned up so it can actually put something else in, like some snow peas, something like that. So what Bevs is doing before we start to harvest this bed of not sugar cane, this bed of sweet potatoes. I'm saying that because I keep looking at this sugar cane right here. This bed of sweet potatoes. She want to get some tops for
What do you call that?
giveaway or to freeze.
Yeah, we're gonna just give it to Miss Eileen.
All right, so this is going to be some giveaway. There's a lot of them, so what I'm going to do is I need to probably help a little bit. I saw what they was doing when they was out here. They was just grabbing these little top pieces off, and you can kind of show them just the ends of all of the vines.
Like the young ones.
Yeah.
This is like very healthy to eat, especially in the morning time. Like saute it or just boil it and dip it with some fish sauce and some tomatoes.
Quick saute.
Yeah. This got a
And
lot
it's
of it.
hundreds and hundreds of them. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let her finish picking all of these that she wants until she gets tired. Then she actually gets to a point where she says, like, that's it, I can't get any more.
Yeah.
And then we'll pull them up and we'll still kind of go through them, and then we'll give the rest to the chickens. So the chickens are gonna have a good little meal for the next couple of days of all of these sweet potato leaves that we're not going to use.
Oh, what you did, Diane?
Now, that's better. Hold it in your hand and deliver. All right. So here we are. I guess I'll go on the other side.
I'm just going to put 15.
Hmm.
No.
Well, all right, so here we are, and what you doing now? We just cutting them all out,
Cutting
right?
all this stuff out so we can see
The ground.
ground to be able to find like where the branches, like the sweet potato stuff at. Just like this one. This is the sweet potato right here. I forgot what variety this is.
Looks
It's
like those Japanese, the
Japanese?
purple ones. Forgot what they call them.
Okinawa.
We had so many different varieties. So I think the Okinawa is the purple ones, huh?
No, I think that's the orange and yellow. I don't know. I'm not sure. That's too much to
Yeah.
remember.
Well, we got so much to keep up on.
So
But
this
these
is
are the
just-
ones that we actually harvested last year,
Yeah.
and we actually replanted. So
We're just snipping it off.
yeah, trying to be careful. I don't think nothing's under there now. We've kind of been here. Maybe the little small brown snakes, maybe.
Baby, really?
What? I'm just saying. Maybe the small brown ones, but not no big ones shouldn't be here right now. See if we can get down closer to the ground.
This is the
We got so many vines up in here.
That's when just getting the vines.
Look at old tomato up in there too. You got to step in, yeah.
Harvesting. We're gonna dig all them sweet potatoes. Mosquitoes keep biting you. Ooh, insect. And now you can put that one side, that babe.
Fill it to this side.
Yeah, that one already mostly of them. No, be careful now.
Yeah.
We cleared up. Oh, it's nice.
Mhm. Hope there's some good sizes under there.
You ready?
Yeah.
Ready for the roots to come up? All right. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh, that's nice.
Ay!
Oh, girl, come on, man. You got, come on. You should be used to those.
Babe, really, that's big.
Yeah, so these are some nice ones.
All right, they get another one. I think this one. Oh,
So we're gonna have to dig. I can see that one right there, all by your hand.
I'm sorry, but this
Come
is.
on out of there.
Ooh.
Come on out of there. Beautiful.
And sure, this is a lot of.
Look at that. We're gonna have to probably really have to get up under there and dig them out sooner.
This one here, you ready? Kind of remove this. You got
A little
small one.
longer.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Hopefully that it will come out like the whole entire thing.
Good. Uh-oh. We gotta take a break. We gotta, ooh, that's a, God. And it's just this little part of the bed.
What happened?
Huh? Nothing. I'm coming. Nobody wanna push you? Nobody wanna push you? Come on. Everybody left you? No, come on. All right. You gotta move your own legs though. There you go. Out, in, out, in. Good job. I can go back to mama now? All right. Keep trying to go. All right.
Right here. So I don't cut it.
We don't have anything. Maybe we can get that
Bucket?
silver, that pink thing, or that bucket behind us.
Then just
These look good this year.
yeah.
You know what? These are the ones that we had in the what you call
Bucket.
that?
The baby plane.
The baby boat.
Boat.
Yeah. She said that one was hard to come out.
I'll be digging that later.
I said we're gonna have a lot of digging to do.
Yeah. That's probably one of them too. It's just one vine. Yeah, I left someone. See?
Further.
I left someone there. They had a lot of them under the ground. Yes. Probably need that small shovel that we got the brown, the small thing.
Work our way. Look at in the
Wow.
Some that looked like on the corner something was kind of starting to get into that one.
Yeah, because it was
It's
some
close to that board.
board. And this one's too.
Look at that. That's another. I can tell that's another group right here.
Yep.
Finally can see the dirt in our bed again.
This one got something got into it and like it got rotten on in the ground because it's too wet, I guess. But it's
I like how these kind of grow in these little clusters.
yeah, they all together. This one.
I'll tell you one thing. We be killing it on these sweet potatoes.
Ooh. Ready for sweet potato pie for Thanksgiving?
Yeah. Now I think these still the white insides. I can't remember.
Yellow.
Yellow insides?
Yeah.
We'll see. We'll see. One gonna. Oh well, this one is already bad. See what? Open that one up. Let's see.
Purple.
Oh, that's the purple ones. Wow. Red with a purple inside. Look at that. So we were both off. She said orange, cause we did have some that was purple with the orange, like red skin with the orange, right?
Yeah.
But this one is purple.
Purple, purple, purple.
What they call it, anthocyanin? Look, cut right here, so we can get it away from around this thing. That's all. Come on, man.
Every time you pull that thing, grabbing me.
Just gotta work our way backwards. Where they at? I see his nice root right there. Oh yeah. Mosquitoes are everywhere.
They're just gonna be separated.
Can you dig around them a little bit? Following the roots.
Ayan, why you not helping me today? Huh? I said, why you not helping to harvest this sweet potato?
She said, why you wasn't helping her pulling that potatoes?
Pull this over there.
Okay.
No, pull this vine. Right there. Yeah, the vine. Pull it towards.
Let's go ahead and take all the vines off, and then we'll come back and
Pull it off.
and we'll pull some more sweet potatoes. But so far, this is what we got out of this first part of the bed. Nice. Nice.
He said he don't want to bring it to you. He gonna bring it his own bed. Look at that. Let's pull it over here. Huh?
Mama,
Yes, baby.
can use that when my that got?
Look at this.
Yeah,
Yo,
that's a big thing.
yes. It's a big thing.
Yeah,
Ready, Paul?
yeah.
One. Oh my. Let me finish. Whoa, you got it. Good job.
That's some big ones.
Didn't even let
Good
me
job.
finish.
Good job, man.
Look, they got some in there. Don't throw it though.
Oh, that's mine.
That's yours? Okay. We're gonna put it down nicely, okay?
So, the
Uh-oh.
Drink it.
it all depends on your culture what you need the sweet potatoes for. Some people, there's even a variety of that we had. Miss C sent us a variety of sweet potato leaves that really don't even grow roots. Like it don't really grow the sweet potatoes, right?
Yes, it's just ornamental. It's just the leaves is the only
It's what
one.
they use.
Yeah, well, we only use it. We have one, but it died on
Yeah,
the.
from the coal. The coal got it.
Yes, it was doing good before the
Polar vortex.
whatever you.
Wonder if we got anything else up in this thing.
He digging already.
Digging to find it.
They got some over here. I think.
Oh yeah, look at that.
I see that one over there. Nope.
Mosquitoes are starting to come out now. Look what you're doing, man. Look what you're doing. It's my good dirt. That's what just grew my sweet potatoes. I need that. I need that dirt. I need that dirt. I need that dirt, man. I need that dirt. And don't stab mama hand off. All right. Wow. Loving these.
Yeah,
Loving
pretty. You
these.
see
Yeah,
that?
they're beautiful.
So pretty.
So pretty. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. You put it on the ground now. You can put it on the ground. Right there.
Those are good ones, Zane.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Wait. Do that.
Hmm?
It's the black one.
You got a big one?
Yeah.
Somebody else got those, I think. That's not the one you got. You taking them all?
Yeah.
Some of them is for me, man.
This was only.
This one for you. Daddy wasn't paying attention.
I'll get it. Oh, you can dig up those turmeric too. That's our sugar cane leaf though.
No, some I just saw it.
Two. Don't break your little arms like you did last year.
I broke it all the way.
Pulling out some turmeric.
I pulled the cassava, that's why.
I know. Some nice size turmeric there.
I just got my dangle in there.
On what?
Sugar cane.
Oh, on that leaf. Uh-oh, you want me to pull that? It cut your head? It's gonna leave you like Irene.
Oh, that's the one. That's the one.
That's the one.
Yeah.
It's the worm.
Look at that.
This gonna be daddy baby, they gonna be taking
Oh, that's
some
mine.
turmeric
That's mine.
turmeric.
This is like one of the most successful things that I grow.
I got that.
And ginger.
Yeah.
Dad,
Look
Dad.
at
Dad, look at this. Dad, are you gonna get my stuff yet?
What?
The ball.
You can get it.
Oh.
You can get it.
Thanks.
Look right here. Just walk right there. There's nothing right there. No thorns right there. No thorns right there. No, ain't no dog not right there either.
Flap it right there. Oh my goodness, that thing's crazy.
Turmeric?
Yeah.
Say turmeric.
Today is Tuesday.
Oh,
Monday. I mean,
this is the one.
the small one.
That's the one.
You working on it, man?
Yeah. Right there. Small one.
Oh, that's rubber.
Yeah, there you go. Don't put them in the car.
Yeah. That's it.
So that's going to provide all the light and everything that we need to really start growing our next crop. Hopefully. Got some sugar cane. Now these sugar cane is going to be second year, so these are going to be thicker than the ones that's coming up outside in the front yard. No, this is the one that I don't want up in here. Get these out of here. Everybody knows what these are. Look at them seeds. The dreaded chamber bitter. Supposedly is a herb. We're gonna take that green thing out of there, brother. Don't get cut. So this bed, this is another bed, so this is a full bed. We're gonna let this bed go all the way until our first frost, because this is a bed we started late. So we're gonna leave this bed all the way until the first frost. When everything kind of dies down, we'll go in and harvest and see what we have in this bed.
This is the one that you got.
But this bed did pretty good to say it was only half a bed. And you can see the harvest in the corner. Some for us to put up. Thanksgiving is coming. Well, we're probably a little too late.
Early?
Yeah, a little too late picking them for Thanksgiving.
No, it's not.
Well, no. Well, usually it takes about, I think it usually takes about 4 to 6 weeks to cure. So it may be ready for that time. But everybody did a good job. We're gonna just go ahead on and finish trying to dig through this, letting Bells dig through this. And we'll probably try to post something on our Instagram. Maybe so. I think so.
Mama.
That's what we'll do. Post a couple pictures on our Instagram. Thank y'all for watching the Grow Family Network. And as always, grow peace. God.
Peace.
Oh, he said as always. Good job, boy. I ain't hear what you were saying at first. And as always, remember, man, never stop planting, never stop growing, never stop motivating yourself to reach those new heights. And we'll see you on the next one. God bless.
Bye-bye.
Enjoy, y'all.